Hey, this is Dave and Rich again, and I'm with my puppies, and today we're gonna show you how to install a bathroom vanity, and we're gonna show you how to transform that space in just a few short steps.
So we're putting in this vanity now, and in order to do that we have to find a couple studs in the wall and essentially just anchor it in. We put a couple shims in here just so it doesn't warp the backboard.
Is that pretty sturdy now?
Ta-da! Very sturdy, not going anywhere.
Okay. Yep, just like that. Okay. Watch your fingers. Take it clean off. Okay, and then on. Okay, we're just gonna run a bead of silicone just along the edge to give it a nice cushion. Okay, there we go. Okay, you have. Got it. Okay, you have it where you like it. Back a little bit. Yeah. We're putting the backsplash on. And this just again gives us a good cushion, and then we'll do some on the wall as well. A huge catastrophe that we'll fix. Oh, it's right here.
Careful, don't touch that.
I'm not touching it a bit. Should I? Boy, I guess it's got enough then?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Is it flush with the edges?
Yeah. Coming your way. Okay, I'm flush. You flush?
Yeah.
Push straight back.
No one's gonna notice me here.
You